How to connect your Tone wallet to the Tapswap. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So watch this video till the very end to know how you can do it. So very firstly what you can do is install the Tone wallet application on your device. After installing on your device, if not you can download the official source as well if you don't find it in the Google Play Store. So after installing the app, launch on the top wallet app and ensure that you are logged in. So navigate to the Tapswap. Open your web browser and go to the Tapswap website. Ensure that you are using the official website to avoid the user scams as well. So connect your wallet. On the Tapswap homepage, look for a button that says Connect Wallet or something similar. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Select the Tone wallet option. A pop-up or a new page will appear with a list of compatible wallets. Select Tone wallet from the list option. Authorize the connection. You will be prompted to authorize the connection now. Approve the request in your Tone wallet app. Complete the connection now. After authorization, your Tone wallet should be connected to your Tapswap. You can now use Tapswap on your Tone wallet. So this is how you can do this. But if you encounter any issues, then refer to the help or support sections on the Tapswap or the Tone wallet options on the website for further assistance. So that's how I can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. That's how I can do it.